What if I told you that being a millionaire by your early 20s isn't just a pipe dream, but a goal within reach? Imagine waking up one day with the freedom to do whatever you want, with zero financial worry, no debt, no stress, and enough money stashed away to live comfortable for the rest of your life. Sound too good to be true? It's not. In fact, I'm going to share with you the straightforward blueprint to making it happen. And trust me, it's not as hard as you might think. The setup. Detail the opportunity and generate excitement. Let me tell you a story about two buddies. Both were in their early 20s. One was working at a 9-to-5 job, partying his weekends away and living not too far from paycheck to paycheck. The other one was also working a steady job, but he was investing, acquiring new skills, and building several income streams while doing that. Fast forward 10 years later. One of them is still grinding away to make ends meet. The other one had just made his first million. Which one would you prefer to be? Growing a mindset of a millionaire. Becoming a millionaire requires all of your mind and heart before it brings about money. It has to be millionaire thinking in order for someone to be or become a millionaire. Here's a fact. 88% of all wealthy individuals read for at least 30 minutes per day. It is because knowledge actually compounds like money. So stop binge watching shows, adding zero value in your life, and start getting wiser in things that develop and become perspectives that broaden your view of reality. Quick challenge. When's the last time you Googled how to get rich instead of best Netflix shows? If it's been a while, we've got work to do. But mindset alone won't pay the bills. Let's talk about taking action. Step 2. Several high-income skills. Pretty true harshly. Exchanging man-hours with dollars will never make one filthy, stinking rich. Instead, master high-income skills, such as coding, sales, digital marketing, and content creation. Such skills that allow one to demand a payment of $10,000 or more monthly. Identify market demand skills and invest in learning them to start earning. Remember, the bigger the learning, the bigger the earning. Suddenly disrupts with, fun fact, Jeff Bezos made his first million selling books online. What stops you from making a profit by selling knowledge? When you have the skills, it is time to start multiplying your income streams. Step 3. Produce multiple streams of income. One income stream is dangerously close to none, and millionaires have at least 7 income streams. Start with your job, but not end it there. Freelancing, side hustles, or passive income, availing such means investing in dividend stocks or rental properties. For example, if you manage to rake in $2,000 a month from a side hustle that you reinvest, you can easily amass that first 6 figures in no time. But this is where most people get stuck. It's earning money, but not keeping it. Let's fix all that. Act 3, the resolution. The final steps in tying everything together. Step 4, investing early and aggressively. That's the secret sauce, compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the lesser work is required. For example, if you invest $500 monthly from the age of 20, you'll end up with more than $1 million by turning 40, given the rate of return at 8%. If you wait too long to invest at that rate, you would need to put in double. Think about it. Your future millionaire self begs you to start today. Will you hear it? What good is this money if one doesn't know how to manage it? Step 5. Live below your means. Here's a paradox. In order to become rich, you have to pretend not to be. Forget the flashy cars and designer clothes. They are liabilities, not assets. Warren Buffett lives in the same house that he bought in 1958. If he can avoid lifestyle inflation, then so can you. Oh yes, managing money, that's the one thing that every millionaire swears by, and it's simpler than you think. Your early 20s are your launch pad to a future life. Develop the right mindset. Build skills, create earning streams, invest aggressively, and live below your means. Becoming a millionaire in simple terms is a matter of action. Do you want to take the step further? Then watch my video on how budgeting secures your future, save $10,000, and set yourself up in financial success. You just need to click it now. Your future self is waiting.